Hello everybody! I am going to be showing you all in Ark Survival Evolved how to do custom consumables or cooking. Okay, so the first thing you need to make custom consumables, make your own cakes and foods here, you're going to need a note. Okay? You put the note inside, and I'm on PS4, so on PS4 you have to hold triangle right here and hit make recipe. And then boom, you can make burgers, you can make hoagies, you can make cakes, along with drinks of any you can please. You can put like anything you want inside. You can make something to poison your enemies, or something for lovely for dinner. Let's make cake. So you can use the color thing right here. Make it what color you want. So we want it something like that. And then the color regions, which are the 1, 2, and 3 up here. And then you can also just pick one of these. So let's say we wanted a cake or something with, let's say we want a meat cake. We can put meat in it. Or we could put berries. Or we could put both in there. And you can put as much up to as many things as you can fit in a cooking pot, as otherwise you wouldn't be able to make it, as you need to craft these in the cooking pot. Call this berry meat cake, or something like that. And then, after you do that, you can just do a description. That super yummy works. I accidentally X'd off, but see now, all you have to do is bake it now that you've done that. So you don't have to color it or anything if you don't want to. See? Now I have this. I took it off so I show you that you don't have to color it. Now you can craft it if you want. But you have to make sure of one thing. You have to make sure the cooking pot's on, no doubt. Light fire and it'll automatically start crafting. So if you have the materials in here and you have like, I don't know, some fancy food that takes like good materials, make sure to take them out before you put the campfire if you don't want to make one. Then boom, you have a burger. And these are more of a special kind of food. They increase your stats over time instead of immediately doing them. Which I think is pretty awesome. But okay. Peace out, everybody.